What is up, guys? It is Josh here again with a couple things, and I just really quick wanted to make a quick video on how you can use a email autoresponder, how to set it up, and how to get a template so that way you don't have to worry about having to write up an email every time. So that this works for, it is actually crucial for affiliate marketing and actually running any form of online business, because without email you're not able to fully communicate with the people who subscribe to you. So I'm going to go through Aweber, and I'm going to teach you guys how to set that up and how to get yourself a template set up that'll work, and how to autofill it and how to automate the responses. That way you don't have to worry about what to do, how to do it, and how you're going to keep up with all of your emails. So let's jump over to the computer. What is up, guys? Here we are over at the computer to go look at Aweber. Now I already pulled up aweber.com. And this is what you are going to be met with. You're going to be, well, it's not officially what you're going to have, but when you go to sign up, this is what you originally have. So you'll just go in, you're going to type your name. So we'll type in Joshua Logan. That's not the email I want to use. And then you type in your email. So let's just use one of my old emails that I had when I made a gaming channel. There we go. nothingOpenGamer@gmail.com. Then you're going to click sign up. You're going to go through your little spinny loading doohickey madabber. I know that's a pretty intelligent way of saying it. A little loading spinning doohickey thinny madabber. Alright, woohoo, your account has been created. Check your email and set your password. Alright, so I'm going to jump over to my email real quick. Gmail. And I don't want you guys seeing all my spam, so I'll see you once I've confirmed. Alright, once you've confirmed your email, you'll be back at this page right here. Alice. Sorry, my dog is eating something. Anyways, this page right here, here's the email you used to sign up, and now you're going to create a password. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. It could just be a simple, I like something, or, you know, it doesn't matter. So type in your password, and then we'll go from there. Alright, this is the screen you're going to have once you've created your password and gone through the whole entire previous steps I showed you. You have a pro option, you have a free option. Unless you already have multiple subscribers, the free option is all you're going to need. Because the pro, it's worth it, but it's only worth it if you already have subscribers. So what I usually recommend for anyone is stick with the free until you get 20 or so subscribers on your email list, then consider switching over to the pro. So just go from pro to free and then press continue. You're going to get with another loady doohickey thingy-mabobber. And then boom, here you're going to have your, basically your account set up. So we'll just name it, I'll name it my first name. I don't need to have my last name. Joshua Company. Your website, it can be anything. We'll just use, I wonder if it lets you skip the website. I actually haven't tried. Alright, it lets you skip the website if you don't have one. Awesome. So your address, you can just use your home address. So I'm going to skip this part right here, and I'll see you in the next part. Alright, once you've put in your address, you're going to have this one right here. Do you already have email subscribers? The answer, just say no. Even if you do, unless you want to import your current email subscribers to Aweber, just say no. So no. So what are your business goals? Put grow my audience, sell products. It doesn't really matter. Just put whatever you're doing. Alright, what other tools do you use for your business? This isn't very important. This is basically just so that they can give you training videos on how to integrate with whatever tool you're using. So let's say you're affiliate marketing, you're going to use ClickFunnels. Alright, once you're done with all that, you finally have your main page right here. So first thing you can do, skip all this, get it out of the way. That way you don't have to look at it for a while. Awesome, perfect. So here we are on our dashboard, and once you start having subscribers, they're going to pop up right here. If you can see, no one subscribed to me. You'll also have them showing down here. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to go to list options and then confirmation message. Once you're at confirmation message, then you can go to right here. So this is your confirmation, confirm your subscription, and you're going to want to edit this so it don't look weird. Alright, so please click the button below. So this is after someone has joined your email list, what type of message they're going to get. So you can make it however you want. You can just say thank you confirm my, no, that's not how you spell thank you. Make sure you spell it right. Thank you, confirm my subscription, and then your company's name or your name, Josh. Preview. Perfect. There you go. And now you're going to want to make sure both of these are off, so you don't want either of them on. So go like that, turn those off, and then save all settings. There you go. Now you're going to want to go to sign up forms. Now for sign up forms, just create sign up form on my landing page. Whoops, wrong place. My bad. Sorry. Okay, campaigns. So this is the part you're going to be using. So you go down to messages, then you go to campaigns. Then this is where you need to really pay attention. Ignore this, or you can, I don't care. But go to create a campaign, create a blank campaign, give it a name. So for example, if you're marketing, affiliate marketing for a marketer, click on marketer. Then you're going to put on subscribe. So when someone subscribes, they're going to start getting these emails. Now this is a really easy setup. Use drag. So see, drag. So they subscribe, and then the second step is they get a message. But what you probably want to do is have a wait in between. So now it waits 1 day. And then another wait. Nope, we want to wait right there. There we go. Send message. Wait. Maybe you want to wait longer. Then send another message. So you see what I'm doing? I'm setting up steps so I don't have to every day log on here and write a new email. Okay, so trigger campaign for new subscribers is first step. My thing's gonna wait 1 day before it sends a message. Now it's gonna send a message. So I'm gonna create a message. Do drag and drop email builder. Click on that, and it's going to bring you right here. So here you go. This is the template for where you're gonna build your emails. Now, if you're like marketing a product, they're usually gonna have email swipes for you. But let's say you're trying to market your own stuff, you can type it whatever, like launch a new product. There you go, there's your subject. So be like, hey, hi. You know, you can do however you want. So I'm excited. However you spell excited. I'm excited. I'm launching stuff. There you go. And what you can do is you can add products in there. So you know, you can put it wherever, sample video title. You can have links in there, share links, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Indeed, whatever that was. You can have pictures, you have coupons. I mean, you can drag and drop all this different stuff in there. Now, here's a little interesting step. So let's say you're launching stuff, okay? And you want to have a link to your product right there. All you do is highlight the amount of words you want to be a link. Go to this button right here, click link, and then you'll type your link. So like if you have a Shopify store or something, and that's where you have your products, you'll link your Shopify store right there, and then boom. That is where that like if they ever click on stuff, that's going to take you to your Shopify link. Okay? So it's a very powerful email template that can get your subscribers as buyers. So once you're done, you're just going to click Save Template. Name template. It can be anything like butts or just butt. Cool. Save and exit. Okay. So now it's going to be first day they're going to get trigger campaign for new subscribers. So when they subscribe, it's going to wait a day. So if I subscribe today, tomorrow I'm going to get a message that says launch a new product and then whatever I just typed. Then it's going to wait another day and we're going to send another message. So create another message and then boom. You're back at this step. So this is where you're able to build as long as a campaign as you want. Like there is no limit to this. See, I can keep going. I can keep going. I can keep going. I can make more days. I can make these guys wait forever. See, there is no limit to this. You could set up a whole entire year's worth of emails being automated to send to your subscribers list. And once you're done, you just click Save and Exit. Pause if it's currently active. That's fine. All right. And you can create as many of these as you want. And see, it's not active until you click activate campaign. So like this isn't going to send out if someone was to subscribe to me. And then the way you do it, so it's sent to different people. Like let's say you're marketing for different companies, and I'm marketing one for a, I don't know, a weight loss thing. Then I would name my list weight loss campaign, and I'd create a new list. And this list I would name, I don't know, what's some product I'd sell? Supplement campaign for enhanced mentality. That's where you need a pro one though. So if you're going to be having more than one list, then you're going to need a pro account. But like this can control an entire hundreds of thousands of people if you have that on your email campaign and keep them engaged with you and your product. I mean, there's a lot more to it. You can integrate it with like say Aweber. I mean, not Aweber. This is Aweber. You can integrate it with ClickFunnels, Shopify, that type of thing. You can create landing pages. This one's a lot harder to use. There's better websites to create landing pages. You can have all your subscribers in their lists. So it's, I mean, like I said, this is a powerful, essential piece of equipment for if you're running a business or trying to collect leads. So if you have any questions about it, go ahead and comment. I'll be making more videos and how-tos and tutorials on different aspects of creating your own business online. So leave a like, follow, subscribe, and I'll have a link down to Aweber in the description. Peace out.